Today I'm making a super easy and delicious air fryer tortilla pizza that is crispy, cheesy and ready in just a few minutes. If you love pizza but want a quicker and simpler version, this recipe is perfect for you. I started by preparing my toppings. First, I took one whole bell pepper and cut it into small pieces. You can use any color of bell pepper you like, red, yellow or green. The pepper adds a nice fresh flavor, a little sweetness and a beautiful pop of color to this simple tortilla pizza. For the sauce, I used 100 grams of ketchup and added 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1 teaspoon of oregano. I mixed everything really well until the herbs were evenly combined with the ketchup. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. I placed one tortilla directly into the air fryer basket. On top of the tortilla, I added a handful of grated cheese. Then I covered it with another tortilla. After placing the second tortilla on top, I spread the homemade sauce evenly over the surface. Then I added some grated ham, also known as deli ham, on top of the sauce. The ham adds a nice savory flavor and pairs perfectly with the melted cheese. Next, I added the finely chopped bell pepper that I prepared earlier. Finally, I sprinkled another handful of grated cheese over everything, because a pizza is always better with extra cheese. To finish, I added a little more oregano on top for extra flavor and that classic pizza aroma. Once everything was ready, I placed the basket into the air fryer and cooked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. The result was a crispy tortilla pizza with melted cheese, flavorful ham, fresh bell pepper and a delicious golden top. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast, lunch, dinner or even a snack when you're craving pizza but don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. It's simple, affordable and you can easily customize it with your favorite toppings.